I already know what some of you are thinking. Why is Jeep revealing the latest version of an off-road icon here in New York City? Well, this is our #1 market in North America for the Jeep brand and for the Jeep Wrangler. And this place is also an icon. It's an icon of authenticity, of freedom, and opportunity. That's why a brand that is known for doing anything, going anywhere, feels at home here in New York, in a city where if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.
What is going on, All Terrain Nation? Today on the show, we're going to talk about the new 2024 Wrangler. That is right, it's time for that mid-cycle refresh, and they're coming out swinging, and we know maybe Bronco pushed Wrangler to do a little bit better, and I'm happy about that because I love competition. I think for both brands, it's going to help both brands, and Jeep needed just a slight push, and so they're going to get it.
Moab, Utah, and we're here because this is Jeep brand's home away from home.
This badass, no-compromise Wrangler features a new face highlighted by the fresh take on the iconic 7-slot grille, while delivering more capability, more tech, more comfort, and more safety than ever before.
So for 2024, the new Wrangler is going to get a new infotainment center. That is right. Finally, we're going away from those little small 8-inch screens, and now they're going to go with a standard 12.3-inch screen with Uconnect 5. That is wicked. I actually like the Uconnect 4 system. I think it works very well, but it needed to have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That screen is freaking wicked. Also, we're removing the antenna. Now, you know Amazon people are going to be upset about that, right? Because they sell all those little antennas, those make your big antenna small. It's now going to be in the windshield, and of course I'll post a picture of that here in just a minute as well. They're going to offer a new Dana 44 in this thing. We're going to get a 5K towing in this. That is ridiculous, and that's just a reaction to the other brand kind of stomping in their territory a little bit. And for Jeep owners, that is a great thing for you guys, trust me. We're going to have the option of a new factory winch. That is right, straight from the factory. You know, that is a big deal for people who may not have the skill set to install one, nor do they want to go to a 4-wheel parts or wherever and install it after the fact. That is a big deal. We're getting that new grill. We've seen it. I was at the Chicago Auto Show when they debuted that grill. That grill looks like it's going to be standard across the board, and I, for one, like it. You know, it's time to change it up just a little bit, and I still think it looks very, very Jeep there. For 2024, the Willys. That's right, Willys is getting 33-inch tires standard. That is awesome. And I wish it was standard in 21 when I got my Gladiator because, well, I got 32s and I would have loved to have 33s on there. But the fact that they're going to offer that now, that is a very big deal. And the tire battle seems to be on. Who's going to be the first to offer 40s? That's what I want to know. Comment below who's going to do that first. Anyway, so the antenna, the screen, the Dana 44, the 5K towing, the new factory winch, new grill. Oh, they're going for water forging. 34 inches of water forging. That is that's ridiculous because, well, we know Ford was doing the Everglades and it was all about water forging, and I think the Everglades is going away though. Jeep's going to offer, hey, you want to challenge us at the dominance of the off-road vehicle? We got you. And I love this. I love the competition. In the comments below, let me know what you think about this. So in the comments below, let me know what you think. Is this exciting to you? You know, the notes, there'll be more coming out. I'll do more of a sit-down review video where I'll properly do some stuff, but this is breaking news and I wanted to get to it quick. So in the comments below, let me know what you think. Smash that like button for me if you have not subscribed yet. Me and Kelly love off-roading. We have a very big passion for off-roading, and we don't get to do it enough. That's why you don't see enough videos on here. But this is up our alley, and we're going to be both excited by this. So whether it be 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or this Wrangler's, damn, I really want to drive. This has been your All Terrain Nation. I'm merely your host, David Boyd, and we're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.